Hello friends, in this video you can see and learn how to set up a beautiful nature aquarium. The company ADA has been in the creation of nature aquarium for many years now, and they have created many beautiful nature aquarium products. So from beautiful clear glass aquarium to aquatic plants and even fertilizer, they have made it all nice and simple. So let's know how to create a nature aquarium from one of the expert aquascaper in the world in few easy steps. In the third day of Nature Aquarium Festival 2020, one of the popular and expert aquascaper, Adam Paszczela, will create a nature aquarium in a matter of few hours. He will create the aquascape in this 115-gallon aquarium made by ADA. ADA use clear glass for aquarium, so their aquariums are more expensive, but the quality is uncompromisable. Then they have this aquarium stand that is also custom made by ADA. Step 1 is the substrate layout. So the aquascaping challenge began by adding the additives before putting the aquarium soil. So the secret additives used are Bacter 100, Tourmaline BC and Clear Super. Bacter 100 contains the beneficial bacteria that helps in nitrogen cycle, which helps in plant growth as well. Bacter 100 are bacteria in dormant state, which is activated by the additive Tourmaline BC. The additive Clear Super provides initial food for the activated live bacteria so they can grow and multiply. All these additives also come in a single packet called ADA Super 4W. One packet of ADA Super 4W is sufficient for 17-gallon aquarium. So for 115-gallon, about 7 to 8 packet is sufficient. Once the additives are put on the bare bottom aquarium, next power sand is added. Power sand can be added in the regions where you need to grow plants, but power sand is always kept away from the borders so that when soil is added, it is not visible from any direction. Power sand has porous rocks, added nutrients, so it helps to colonize aerobic and beneficial bacteria. The nutrients in power sand also helps in root growth for aquarium plants and hence promote their overall growth. Next, the Amazonia soil is added. ADA has recently introduced ADA Amazonia soil version 2, which is more fertile and good for nature aquariums. So whichever latest version of Amazonia soil is there at your time, use that. So in Adam's creation, he has used soil only where he wants to plant the aquatic plants. Step 2 is hardscape. After all this, Adam Paszczela started adding rocks. Now placement of rocks only a pro aquascaper can decide, but we can also do once we adjust the rock according to the focal point of attraction and the placement of plants. Now the motive is to create a beautiful and natural biotope. You can select any of the aquarium rocks. There are different varieties of aquarium rocks. Rocks used here I think is Sirio rocks. These rocks was also broken down into pieces and added towards the front and sides to give a natural look. You can also stick two rocks or wood pieces together by using a special glue called Pro Haru glue, which is black in color, very strong and hides well after plants and rocks are added. For attaching aquarium plants to wood or rocks, you can also use super glue or use threads like ADA Terraline. Before planting aquatic plants, the planting areas get a layer of Amazonia soil powder type. This provides easy and good plantation. Now new trend in nature aquarium is the glowing background panel and solar RGB light, which was demonstrated by the host who was explaining about Adam's aquascaping workshop. Step 3 is plantation. After powder type soil layer is laid out, now it's time to add plants. Before adding plants, they are sorted out into samples, some tied to small rocks while others sorted to single stem samples with roots. Before planting plants, the soil is made wet by spraying water over it. Now planting aquatic plant is again something an expert aquascaper knows. Basically, tall growing plants are planted towards the background and short growing towards the front. You should also have the knowledge of plant types and conditions required by them to grow well. Some plants need strong light, CO2 and fertilizers, while some can be grown without any requirements. Some spread over areas while some don't. Some can be grown outside the soil while some cannot be. So a good knowledge of aquatic plants is required for a pro level aquascaping. But if you know about the plants you like, it's enough for creating your own beautiful nature aquarium. However, it is not necessary that your creation could qualify for nature aquarium competitions or something like that. If you are creating nature aquarium for competitions or IAPLC, check their website and know for what all details points are given. High points means top ranks and more chance for the prize. Check links in description for IAPLC website and also links to buy nature aquarium products. Those are affiliate links, so if you buy from it, I will be given commissions and it could help me in some ways. After plantation, the aquarium was quarter filled with water, so the aquascaping stopped for some time and there was auction for aquatic plants. Some plants from Mr. Takashi Amano's old tank was set for auction, each selling at 3000 or 4000 Indian rupees. I also took part in the auctions and bought a Wabikusa moss mat. Nature Aquarium Festival was coming to the end by the evening and I got their calendar and product guide book. There was also various plants kept outside for sale. Finally, Adam Paszczela's Nature Aquarium was filled with water and solar RGB light was set along with the superjet filter and CO2 diffuser set. This Nature Aquarium will be kept as a showcase in the memory of this year's Nature Aquarium Festival and one of the Nature Aquarium creation by aquascaping legend Adam Paszczela. The 3-day Nature Aquarium Festival was finally over. It had lot of fun and was very informative also. So if you are up to creating a nature aquarium, check the ADA India website or check your country specific ADA's website and get started with it. That's it for this video. I hope you might found it useful. If you have any comments or suggestion, please drop it down in the comment section. Share and like the video and subscribe and turn on the notification to get notified and watch the upcoming videos. Bye and take care and thanks for watching.